Hello and welcome. If you have an internet connection but are facing a connecting fail issue in Proton VPN, this tutorial will help you fix that. Probably when you initially launched Proton VPN, you were presented with this prompt, which you possibly clicked Do Not Allow. Basically, you did not allow Proton VPN to add a VPN configuration to your Mac, and when you go to Settings, there is no VPN configuration in the network section. To fix this, we want to force Proton VPN to prompt us once again to add the VPN configuration. So while the Proton VPN is running and displaying the error, click on its icon on the menu bar and click Quit. Now go ahead and launch Proton VPN and click Quick Connect on the window shown. When prompted, click Allow and you should be connected right away. Now ProtonVPN's VPN configuration is added. Please like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.